everybody. I'm Miss Garcia.
And I'm Fiona.
She's my daughter. What are we going to do today, Fiona?
We're going to read The Wizard of Oz today.
Raise your hand if you know the story of The Wizard of Oz. Maybe you saw the movie, or maybe
you read it.
That's right. So what else are we going to talk about, Fiona?
Who the characters and settings are. Wait.
Great. Okay, so we're going to talk about the characters and the setting. What are characters, Fiona?
Characters are the people in the story.
Perfect. And what is the setting?
The setting, let's say. So we're here outside right now. That's the setting here. So in the story, we don't know where it's going to take place because no one has read it yet. But probably it's going to be in the meadow or somewhere.
Okay.
So really, it's where the characters are.
Perfect. Well said, Fiona. The setting is where the story takes place and where the characters are. So while we read this first page, please be listening very carefully because we're going to ask you, who are the characters and what is the setting? What are we going to ask, Fiona? Who are
Who
the...
are the characters and what are the settings?
Okay, there might be more than one setting. You're right. Okay, enjoy the story. Okay, so we're going to start reading The Wizard of Oz by reading the first page. First, I'm going to show you what the first page looks like. It looks like this. Think about what you notice on this first page. All right. Dorothy lived in the midst of the great Kansas prairies with Uncle Henry, who was a farmer, and Aunt Em, who was the farmer's wife. Their house was small. There were 4 walls, a floor, and a roof, which made one room. And this room contained a rusty-looking cooking stove, a cupboard for the dishes, a table, 3 or 4 chairs, and the beds. Uncle Henry and Aunt Em had a big bed in one corner, and Dorothy a little bed in another corner. There was no garret at all. I wonder what a garret is.
Me too.
I don't know. And no cellar. A cellar is a...
Cellar is like a little thing in your,
It's like a basement, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sort of like a basement, but like not a lot of room and only food in there.
Yeah, normally a cellar is outside, and you enter from the outside, and people used to keep food in there, sort of like a refrigerator, I guess, but that's what a cellar is. So there was no garret at all, and no cellar, except a small, dark hole dug in the ground, called a cyclone cellar.
What's that?
A cyclone is like a tornado. It's another name for a tornado, I think. So there's a cyclone cellar where the family could go in case one of those great whirlwinds arose, mighty enough to crush any building in its path. It was reached by a trapdoor in the middle of the floor.